What's going on, guys? It's your boy Mike Lowy, KSM Trading 25 on Instagram. We're gonna break down today's trades and then go over a little bit of the mindset that I had today, and what caused me to take a loss on SPY. AMD we all profited on, but SPY was definitely uh, just overseen by me. I was so caught up, in this, right? So obviously we'll get right into it. This was pre-market, huge gap up. I'm like, oh man, we're good. We're definitely gonna go up. So I entered calls. I was on the 2 minute. So let me see. So boom, yeah, I entered calls right at this level. And I was like, perfect. Boom, stopped out. Then I entered calls here. It was good. Trimmed, stopped out. So as soon as that happened, I was like, all right, I wasn't too negative. I think I was only like negative $100 right there. So like risk management, obviously, still, this is why risk management is super important because most people would have been like, oh, well, add here, add here. This has got to be it. Oh, this is the reversal. Like, people get stuck in that mindset. So I realized I was in the wrong mindset. I was in a bullish mindset. And I did have these levels here before the market even opened. So the fact that pre-market was above my level and bounced on it, the second we broke below, I mean, that's the retest right there to go lower. Um, and that's as simple as that should have been. So I was just, sometimes it happens. You just have to realize when you're in that wrong mindset. Like if it's just not clicking or feeling right. I also woke up. My alarm didn't go off, so I woke up at like 8:25. Rushed to the computer to see what's going on. So that's definitely like that rushed mindset forced the trade, essentially, and that's what happened. Um, so we stopped out on SPY, and then on AMD was actually pretty nice. AMD, we grabbed these calls right here and took it back to this gap right there. So that was actually where it stopped. But that was a good little, what was that? 154 to 156. So that was, yeah, it was a $2 trade. So I had this buffer room on AMD from SPY, right? So we were still good. I'm still green for the day, but I'm only green like $70. So it's pretty much like a scratch day. But mindset, right? By all means, I could be in this right now and I'm like, dude, I'm making back my $70 or I'm making back my $100 on spot. Like, this is ridiculous. But that's just gonna cause people to blow accounts, and not see the charts clearly. Trying to chase essentially what you start doing as a trader, like when you're in a wrong trade or in the wrong mindset, you start making yourself see patterns that aren't there. So then you're like, all right, this is a reversal pattern. Oh, this is a morning star. Oh, this is a good fair value gap. Like, realize that you're on the wrong mindset. Wait for your reversal, right? Right here, we could have definitely taken the 624 to 625 bounce. But we have this whole, that's not a good trade to me. Now, if we break above, I mean, I'd have to break above here, 625, where it's going now. I would have to break above that to take it back up. But then we still have this right here. So it's like a 1-to-1 trade. And then even if we break 626, I mean, then we could maybe go. But that's still a 1-to-1 with the potential of going higher. So days like today, we had, I believe it was CPI today. That's why everything gapped up. Just don't touch it. There's no reason to touch it. All right. So overall, what do we learn? The moral of the story: understand your mindset when you're on the wrong side of trading and it's not feeling right internally. Listen, listen to that. Listen to yourself. I can't even talk today, so I obviously can't trade. Um, Mindset's got to be A1. All right. No one to stop. No one to walk away. It's okay to walk away from a day red. I'd rather have it red $80 than $500, right? I mean, you average a couple thousand a day, a couple hundred a day. If you only lose 100, 200 max, you're fine. But account size matters, and entries, obviously, like if you go to enter a trade and you don't have a defined stop, why are you even entering the trade? You don't know where you're going to stop out at. Like, that makes no sense. So think about that stuff, yo. All right. It's your boy Mike Lowy. Like, comment, subscribe. We out.